the breeze in the early morning. Hear it whispering through the trees like some final warning. You can taste it in the rain. There's another flood on the way. You can build all the barricades you like, it's still gonna sweep you away. It's the path that we took, it's the road that we ride. No matter how fast you run, there'll be nowhere to hide. There's a big storm coming. There's a big storm coming. See the chains of lightning tearing up our beautiful sky, revealing dark shadows where wild wolves and babies cry. It's the road that we drive, it's the path that we're on. Whether you're fast or slow, it's too late to run. There's a big storm coming. There's a big storm coming. We're all in this together, well at least that's what I heard somebody say. But I could see the abandoned and alone falling in the dust along the way. There's hunger on the streets, they're pulling all the monuments down. Some running down lost highways, nothing left now in the cities or the towns. All the wisdom we've gained, all the truths we hold dear, sold for money and greed, for ignorance and fear. There's a big storm coming. There's a big storm coming. There's a big